Remember those stories your grandfather used to tell you? Stories about the good old days. Stories about how things used to be. Somewhere between then and now, we've gone and gotten ourselves all busied up. Busy with phone notifications, busy going from meeting to meeting, busy with your fast-paced life. But what if things could be different? Even if, for a couple of days. Step away from your fast-paced life and experience some of those good old days for yourself, just like in your grandfather's stories. Choose between farming, fishing, small-town banking, cooking, running a small town, or just piddling on the back porch while enjoying some coffee. There are many personalized experiences waiting for you. Craig, Missouri. Small town life at its finest. What are you waiting for?